Chief Minister N. Biren has asserted that the necessity of convening a meeting in presence of various CSO, NGO and community leader for district reorganization. He was responding to calling attention motion moved by Punyar MLA Leishio Kaishing, who expressed concern over lack of proper demarcation of boundary along the newly established 7 districts of Manipur. The MLA said, this has created confusion and could further result to dispute among communities living on the periphery of this district. In response, Chief Minister, who is also the leader of the House, maintained that the district have to be established for administrative convenience. However, in the case of Manipur, it turned out to be for political convenience. Therefore, it is necessary to collect opinions and ideas of community leaders, CSOs and NGOs before carrying out any district reorganization. SKTV's chief reporter Katrimayum Premchand brings you more on this.
Fungyar AC's MLA Leishu Kaishing raised the calling attention motion. He drew the attention of the leader of the House, Chief Minister Nongthongmam Biren, on the unresolved boundary demarcation of Manipur's new 7 district. In his 28-minute speech, MLA Leishu Kaishing highlighted that ethnic clashes of 1992 triggered by land disputes, and many of those displaced persons by the conflict have yet to return to their villages. He also said lack of proper demarcation has caused significant inconvenience for residents traveling to DC office and other government's office. He also urged for a political solution to the boundary issues to restore peace in the state.
Sigumba issues administrative na solve tawgadam nati politically tungmang da thoktanaba khoi mang da leriba issues resolve tawba mathang prolong tawdabida khor tawdabida thambasina first and foremost khanba oigadra haina khanjai political dialogue to hobiraga akhoi gi peace shanti puraknaba development chawkhat khongthang da chatnaba future da problems thoktanaba long pending unresolved lebise athubada resolve tawraga further problems thoktanaba honna binaba akoi honorable chief minister in charge of home amadi land resources that I see calling attention needs. Thank you, sir.
In response to the MLA Leisho calling attention motion, Chief Minister Nongthongmam Biren stated that creation of the new district was driven by political convenience rather than administrative convenience. While acknowledging the necessity of district reorganization, Chief Minister emphasized the importance of consulting with CSOs, NGOs and community leaders. He also assured that a decision regarding district reorganization would be made after the conclusion of this current session.
How given naina da bayar? How givagi naina baraga? How givadugi mistake to lakadaba generation da thok tanaba madubu rectify torga tawbudubuni ngasigi generation da tawbudabse. District creation si ethnic base hoina district to create torga district to moigini na khanbadumna. As a whole Manipur or as a whole India, if we talk about it, masi achoba yam sang na soir kano to roga lakrabani hujik pudi sum thok pa ge ngamoy sum thok pudi matam sangani adu sum thok ta budi yaroi district reorganization am di dakar di leire adu masi se koi phajana akoi leminari ba members sing punna tanarga adu even civil society sing tawrakanda amuktang haminarga reorganization am tawbudi yam tangai phadabra haibu so ingon the filter desa